At your company name, we blend heritage craftsmanship with modern innovation to transform camel bone into a...
Check the quality on this piece. Good density.
Agreed. We only use the best for the inlay.
Efficient planning ensures smooth progression from raw material to finished product.
Strict safety protocols protect workers during bone handling and processing.
This angle here is crucial for the inlay. See how the light catches it.
Yes, I see the precision needed.
Does this swirl match the prototype?
It's close, but the curvature is off.
Maintaining a clean and safe environment is essential for quality craftsmanship.
Almost there, just a hair to the left.
Yes, that's symmetrical now.
Attention to detail and safety ensures the highest quality in every piece.
The grain here seems slightly off, but the color saturation is perfect on the sample.
Agreed, we can approve this batch.
Only pieces meeting our highest standards leave the workshop.
Okay, let's lift it up.
Careful with the base, it fits perfectly. Bring it forward slowly. Watch the clearance. Got it.
This one's secure. Send the next one in.
As the day ends, our commitment to quality and sustainability shines brighter than ever.
Every piece tells a story of tradition, innovation, and respect for nature.
Look at the precision of this inlay work.
It's absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
We source the camel bone ethically. It's a byproduct. Our artisans meticulously hand carve each piece.
Is the wood sustainable as well?
Absolutely. We use only reclaimed teak. The craftsmanship is absolutely stunning. I've never seen anything like it.
And the detail on this pattern,
It's truly unique.
Yeah.
A legacy of artistry and innovation passed down through generations.
Every piece tells a story, development, of passion, skill, and sustainability.
Committed to a sustainable future, we honor both craft and community. Innovation drives us forward, blending tradition with technology.
From our workshop to the world, our craftsmanship inspires and delights.
Every piece is a testament to passion, precision, and sustainability.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art and science of camel bone inlay.
The future of craftsmanship is here. Get ready to see the masters at work.
Innovation drives our passion to refine and elevate camel bone craftsmanship.
Sustainability is at the heart of every innovation we pursue.
Continuous learning ensures our artisans remain masters of their craft.
We honor heritage while embracing the future.
Our commitment to excellence is recognized worldwide.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art and science of camel bone inlay.
At your company name, every piece we create is a blend of tradition, innovation,